All right, so today's featured product, this is Project Swartz HVLP paint sprayer from Lowe's. It is a sponsored product, model 6033374. We're going to try it out, see how it performs. This is a plug-in model. Let's see what comes in the box. All right, so you have your accessories. You have a little funnel, kind of like to test out how thick the paint is. A lot of the issues with these type of sprayers or any type of sprayer is the paint thickness. Sometimes you have to kind of, thin it out just a bit. And you have different tips depending on the finish that you want. All right, so like I mentioned, this is a plug-in model. Also has like a little filter back here. You could clean it out on both sides. So this basically, builds air pressure into the sprayer itself. So you don't need, compressor or anything like that. So you have your actual reservoir here. It's 800 milliliters and 28 ounces. And it does come with a small manual. Tells you pretty much how to use it, the different tips, how to clean it. All right. So here is the removable tip. And you can move this whichever side you want. You have an O-ring and kind of like a guide. So you're going to put it in and you're going to twist and you're going to lock it. And you're going to lock the bottom right there. Doesn't go anywhere. And depending on if you're going to be shooting down, you leave the angle down, or if you're going to be shooting up, you kind of twist it so you get as much paint from the bottom as possible. So very easy. Okay. All right, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and try it out and see how it actually performs. I always try it on a piece of cardboard, depending on how you want it to spray. So let's see, I already did the upper half just to test it out. See how it Well, there you have it. Pretty sweet. Impressed. Not bad at all. That's pretty impressive. First coat on wood, not bad at all. Right, the beautiful thing about this, you disconnect this part from here. You don't have to worry about washing this area. Maybe just wipe it down, checking the filters, and then you only deal with half the gun, which is pretty sweet. And you just dunk this whole thing in a bucket of water. A lot easier than, having to do with the whole thing. I normally put a little bit of Z40 on it, so it's a little bit easier to clean it. But this thing, very impressed. I did all that one coat, and then I play around with some of the stuff in the back to do the video. So I wasted a little bit of paint. So basically I did one of those little jars and maybe and a quarter. All these here. This door front and back. I'm still missing that piece because there was a hole, so I'm fixing it, but definitely all this. Very nice finish. You can see it's almost drying. Nice and smooth. The door came out awesome. Still a little bit wet, but you see some of the drier areas. I didn't have to thin out the paint. Look, straight out of the 1 gallon. All right, so this is pretty much what I wasted. A little bit more than a quarter of a gallon. I didn't mix with the water or anything like that. This thing performed fantastic. I'm extremely impressed.